Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel today. We're going to do a quick market watch. We need to do some TA. Some movement had occurred yesterday on BTC. So let's look at it and see what it's looking like right now and where the market is currently at. Yesterday we had drawn this up in hopes for a long position to open. And we got faked out, and that does happen. That does happen many times. As we saw yesterday, it was actually hesitating to pass the 55 EMA, and it never did. Sorry, the 100 EMA, and it never did. And now we saw that it broke down. And here's the thing, you guys. Previous resistance and support keep converting, right? So this used to be its support, and now it became resistance right there. When it became resistance right there, that would have been a great position for short. Then we had the indicator come in with that confirmation guaranteeing the short. And now when we look at the indicator map, it's actually still telling us that we should be in a short position. And I agree because we can see we broke that blue line as well. We clearly broke that blue line, and that blue line wasn't a very, very long-term support or resistance. It is a short-term one. This had occurred just a couple of weeks ago, where these white dotted lines are long-term supports and resistance. And now that we're kind of hovering here, this has become its new consolidation area, and you can clearly see that right here, right? You can see that this has become a very, very big consolidation area. So we have two potentials. It has a chance to shoot back up, back to the blue and back to the white. We don't know yet. RSI isn't giving us a very, very clear measure. Even if we're looking at the 30-minute mark, 30-minute mark is showing us some bullish momentum coming up on the RSI, but the indicator is not agreeing with that. So that's also something I want to question and I want to wait on, because it would know more than others, right? It can do the math on the back end faster than us. So the biggest thing I'm thinking about here for BTC is we're consolidating on the 60K range right now, right? And it's going to be vital to see if it shoots up or down. If it takes a down stretch, we are guaranteed to look to the white line and make it down to about 59K. If it shoots up past the blue or the white, past the blue, we're going to make it to the white and start hovering back to the 62K range. It's tough only because right now we're in a consolidation phase, and you never know where it's going when it's just a full consolidation phase. My recommendation, just to keep watching, because in this consolidation phase, you're waiting for a breakout. You should not be trading in the consolidation. You should be trading on the breakout. That is a huge mistake I learned years ago that took me a while to understand, and I hope it makes sense to you guys. You need to be waiting for the next breakout to take the play, right? Some smart ways to set this up. You could have a short setup right here, where if it crosses this line, right, you might take a short. And then other way, if it crosses this line, let's say, you'll take a long, because then you've got a confirmation. I'm not a big fan on pre-setting up plays like that. I like to see the breakout before I make the move. I used to do that consistently, and that would screw me if I would just make these guesses. So my advice, keep watching the charts. Always have it up on a side screen if you work at a desk. If you're on the go, set alerts on your phone. TradingView lets you do alerts. Our indicator lets you do alerts. There's so many ways to make that work to your advantage. All right? I hope this helps. I'll see you guys on the next video, and keep watching the market out, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, everyone.